One green frog says jump, 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 splashing loudly thump, thump, thump. Two small frogs go hop, 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 bouncing till they never stop. Ribbit, ribbit, sing with me, counting frogs is fun, you see. Jump up high and stomp the ground, funny froggy sounds all around. Three green frogs sit on a log, dancing in the morning fog. Four tiny frogs leap in the rain, splish, splash, splish again, again. Five green frogs say ribbit, hey, playing games the whole long day. Six green frogs slide down the hill, rolling, rolling, laughing still. Count, count, count today, numbers help us laugh and play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, learning numbers with cool tricks. Seven frogs bounce left and right, moon frogs glowing in the night. Eight green frogs go wiggle, wiggle, tiny tadpoles giggle, giggle. Nine frogs march in froggy shoes, singing funny jungle blues. 10 big frogs jump 1, 2, 3, splashing in the pond with glee. Ribbit, ribbit, clap, 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 jumping on the lily pad lap. Spin around and wave hello, happy number frogs all glow. One more jump before we go, croaky voices soft and low. Wave goodbye and shout hooray, we learn numbers today.